Special greetings, my dear students. In previous class, we learned MS PowerPoint. In MS PowerPoint, how we will insert table. See, in previous class, we learned more on PowerPoint 2010. In that, we learned inserting a table, table tool and formatting style, and how we will enter and how we will align text in a table. Okay, and today in this class we are going to learn insert chart and its components after formatting the components. Okay, this is a very easiest thing. So inserting table, once again I will show how to insert table. So after opening PowerPoint, okay, there are several ways to insert table. In a insert tab, left side, we can able to see table. This is a one option, or else here is a insert table. We can select, means in this too we can select any one option. If I want to use this slide one, here it is showing number of column, number of rows. How many columns, how many rows we need, we can just enter. Okay, see again I am saying so we in a slide just click insert. It is showing 5 column means a vertical, row means a horizontal. Just one click. So there was a 5 column, so one, you can able to see 1 2 3 4 5 columns, and there are 2 rows. Okay, so this is a way to insert a table in a PowerPoint. After inserting table, entering data in a table, just click and enter whatever you want. Okay, whatever you want you can enter. Just select or click serial number, name, after, class. So this is a way of inserting data in a table, entering data in a table. After, students, if I'm in here, from this first row, third column to fourth column, if I go, I can use a mouse. If I didn't use a mouse, I can use a tab key, just one tab, another tab. If I want to come back, shift plus tab, shift tab. Can you able to see? When I pressing tab, it is going forward. When I selecting shift tab, it is coming backward. So these are things you have to learn in this chapter. After table tools. So table tools, with help of table tools, what we can do? Just select table first. After selecting table, top, we can able to see in a title bar table tool. In this table tool, with the help of table tool, you can able to change the designs. Sir, I want more design. Just here is a drop down arrow in ribbon. Just click. So many designs are there. Whenever I am moving my mouse cursor, automatically the style is changing. Can you able to see that? So I am going to select this style. After selecting, not only this, students, there is a shading, border. Okay, this particular cell border, see, top border, bottom border. If I select bottom border, what will be? Can you able to see some darkness? So like this, so many styles are there. So this all things you are practical. If you do practical only, you can able to understand. At least in a home, try to do practical once. If you are having system, if you are not having system, no need to do and no need to force your parents. Just see a book and try to learn. Okay, when school will reopen, that time you will get a sufficient lab. That time you can do a practical. Formatting table style, just now I showed. Shading, applying border, border color, this all your practical ones you have to see. Okay, after we can go to the aligning text. Alignment means what? There are 4 type of alignment is there. This is the left alignment because text is on the left side. If you want to center, in a home tab, we can able to see here in a ribbon: center, right, justify. Okay, control is shortcuts for a center. If you want to give for this entire row, just select entire row. After selecting entire row, just control E. Okay, so now it is in a center align. If you want to left align, just again select entire row, control R, right align, control L, left align, control J, justify. Okay, okay students, so these are the things we learned in the previous class. Now chart. First of all students, what is a chart? What is use of the chart? Actually, if you're thinking chart means what, you know some figure, sir, this is a chart. But what is use of that? Now see what definition they given in a book. Chart is an effective way to display data in a graphical and pictorial form. Okay, after chart make it easier to show comparison and growth relationship. Example, Tata company. Okay, Tata company in 2010 the profit is 1 crore. In 2011 2 crore. In 2003 4 crore. In 2005 sudden drawback. Actually this growth, drawback, and if we are giving in a written form, we have to read line by line, correct? Instead of reading line by line, if you are showing some particular chartic type, pictorial type, it will be easier to comparize. If 2-3 companies are there, which company is growing sequentially like that. Example, I will show one figure. Cricket score will be better. Cricket score chart. Okay, now in this place students, this is the line chart. In a chart there are many types. You can able to see while inserting time, you can able to see there are many type of chart. Okay, but in this lesson we are going to learn only a bar chart. Okay, and bar chart is very important. This is a chart. Okay, sorry, this is a column chart. In this class you are going to learn column chart, and bar chart is your practical. Now students, this is a line chart. If you see the line chart, what you are understanding, please observe this chart for a while. Just to see this chart, what you are understanding in this chart. Okay, in this chart you can able to understand blue color is a Delhi Daredevil. So this is a Delhi team. Okay, downside is a 20, so it can be a 20 over. In 20 over, where it is here, means a 100 run they scored. In 20 over, Delhi team scored 100 run. And Kings 11 Punjab, how much they scored? So they also scored how much? 100. Sorry, 120 in a 17th over. 17.2 or 3 ball they completed. Actually 20 over, 120 run they scored. And Punjab, actually this is a sequence, how they are, the difference, the growth difference. See, Delhi is scoring this much, but Punjab is scoring beginning out itself. Comparing Delhi, it is high. And see in Delhi here is a wicket, first wicket, second, third, fourth. And not only this, we can able to see many types. And this is the type of chart, highest team total. So India 370, second highest also India, third highest England, Sri Lanka fourth highest, fifth highest West Indies. You can able to see this, and this is a pie chart. So with the help of this chart, what we can able to understand, we are getting the data instead of reading, instead of giving like this. If you are giving in a written form, in India 2010 they scored this much run, in 2011 they have scored this much run, nothing we will understand. Means we will understand, but it is difficult to remember. But if anything is like this type of chart, we can able to remember very nicely. Okay. So now we can able to see the how to insert a chart in a PowerPoint. So here you can able to see the chart. Okay. Else insert tab, there is a chart. Just one click. So when you are clicking, there are many types are there: line, pie, bar, area. This all your practical, but in your book they given only column chart. So today we will learn only column chart. I am selecting column chart after OK. When I am clicking OK, now it will open one Excel file also and a chart also. Now see kindly, it is loading now. Okay, now you can able to see here series 1, series 2, series 3, category 1, category 2 and up to category 4. So now I am going to give here, I am going to give student's name. Okay, Raj, Ram, Sam, Mohan, and top I am going to give the subject name. Okay, example math, science and English. And the math Raj scored 55. Students, please kindly observe this chart. Okay, whenever I am giving the name in chart, it is modifying. Whenever I am entering value, it will be modified. Raj, okay. Math is what? Blue color now. I am entering 55. Raj, okay. Now see here, when I am entering 55, can you able to see the changes? Ram score I am going to give 75. Please kindly notice, whatever things we are giving, automatically there is a changes. It is reflecting in a chart. And science I am going to give Can you able to see now? Whenever I am changing, automatically the value changed. Okay, this is a way to insert a chart. Okay, math, science, English. Okay, math Raj, how much is scored? 55. And we can able to see this is a way. Sir, this is not only way. If you want to insert any other type, just to see here. You can change the style. Okay, else if you want to change the chart type, of course you can change the chart type also. Just right click chart type and you can able to see. Okay, if you didn't like this, again change chart type, just right click pie chart, or again right click chart type. Now line chart we can give. These are the things how we will insert a chart and how we will work with a chart. Okay, okay students, today this is enough. In next class we will see how to format a chart component. Okay, and please kindly go through all the syllabus whatever we completed. Thanks for watching.